Hi Nutrition 230 and welcome to week 3 of the spring semester 2018. I just want to go through what is due this week. There's nothing really new. We introduced the PSA last week and we introduced the first case study diet analysis last week as well. So I just want to go over, where to navigate everything, where to find everything, where to upload everything, and then remind you, to keep up with your pre-lecture, your reading, and your post-lecture work. So we're heading into, chapter 4 a little bit later this week. So as you can see, you have this week your chapter 3 reading due and post-lecture assignment due tomorrow. You have your diet analysis 1, which is the case study diet analysis assignment on iProfile, which is one of your assignments in Wiley Plus. And then you have your first PSA due, and those are both going to be due on the 8th. Then you have your pre-lecture assignment due on the 9th and to watch chapter 4 video on the 10th. So that is what's coming up this week. And just as a reminder, some things that you have seen, there's a little tour of iProfile here. I'm going to leave that up for you. There is your PSA Screencast-O-Matic video. Now, you don't have to use Screencast-O-Matic. You are welcome to just create a video on your iPhone or on your computer and then save it, as an iMovie or just as a file. And if you need help with that, and you're not able to do that by Wednesday, then I'm really happy to sit down and walk through it with you. I will not be on campus on Thursday or Friday this week, but I'm happy to do, a phone conversation or something like that. Or if you are really having trouble with the PSA, I'm happy to, sit down and help you with that in person next week too, if you're, wanting to use Screencast-O-Matic and just aren't sure what to do, etc., okay? And then the case study for Wiley Plus iProfile assignment is on here as well. And that case study is used to answer the case study assignment questions on iProfile. So make sure you use this case study that you can see right here when it opens. So there will be this case study looking at iProfile. The topic is low nutrient versus nutrient dense foods. You're going to log in a profile for Cody on iProfile. You're going to look at the intake spreadsheet and you are going to be answering some questions. You don't have to upload these questions anywhere. They're going to be included in the iProfile assignment that you can find right on Wiley Plus. So just make sure you are able to navigate that and figure that out, and let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day, everyone.